Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to join the Ink Game Discord server. And as you can see right here, I tried searching it up and I could not find it at all in the search results. So what you do is just open up any browser, go to Google, type in Ink Game Discord server. Just open up the first link. It's by discord.do right here. And as you can see, we have Ink Game Roblox. It has right now about 12,260 members. All you need to do is click on join Discord server. Okay, and it would redirect you to this page. This is the exact invite link. You can go ahead and type this code in. Okay, and then you can join. Look at this. So here we have this one. Just accept, and now we're in. We're in the Discord server. Just make sure you go through the verification process. But otherwise, it's really that easy. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel.